plants, genetics, life. Welcome to the world of biotechnology, and you can be part of it. Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Williams, and let me introduce you to the latest endeavor of my life's work, rapid cycling Brassica rapa. This is a very diverse plant, and we're going to be studying it here at Scienceport at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis. I'm going to need a very able assistant to help me with this research, and I hope that you'll apply today.
Hello? Is that?
Brassica rapa.
Are you?
Dr. Paul Williams, but you can call me Paul.
Hello, Dr. Williams. I'm Amy Jones. I saw your webcast and wanted to join the Scienceport investigation.
Fantastic. Let's step into my office. So, Amy, what do you know about Brassica rapa?
Well, I understand it's a very diverse plant.
Indeed, there are many forms of Brassica rapa. And the interesting thing about it is that the seed of Brassica rapa contains oil that has potential in the production of biodiesel.
Oh, wow, that's fascinating.
Yes, but the problem is that these plants are only 30 centimeters tall and don't produce very much seed. However, our Brassica rapa is relatively small. It's about 30 centimeters tall. However, it's been rumored somewhere in the world is a much taller Brassica rapa. And this plant, if it has more leaves, should produce more seed. And more seed means?
More biodiesel?
Exactly.
So where is this species?
Well, the same place that Brassica rapa originated from. Uttar Pradesh, India. That's one of the centers of origin of Brassica rapa.
Wow, that's pretty far away.
Yeah, and remember that the environment there is very different from the environment in this laboratory. So we're going to have to be particularly careful about how we create an environment. Amy, we're going to need a responsible and observant person to take care of these plants. Welcome aboard.
You mean I got the job? Oh, thank you, Dr. Williams. When do I start?
As soon as my airline tickets arrive. I'm out of here.
You're leaving? Where are you going?
I'm going to Uttar Pradesh, India, where I've got to collect, got to put this in, and my tickets. Well, where I hope I can collect that tall brassica so that I can send you back seed for us to do research on. Gotta go.
Okay.
Amy, everything you need to know is going to be on the Biotech Cool Green Tool website. Okay?
You can count on me, Dr. Williams.
Thanks a lot, Amy. Goodbye.
Good luck.
Hey Amy, it's Paul. I've been snooping around India. I found some of that brassica seed, and I'm going to be sending you back that seed and mystery powders for you to investigate at Scienceport headquarters. These seeds have great potential, and we're going to be testing them against the seeds we already have. So plant these seeds using the mystery powders I've sent you. Chart carefully their growth and responses. We need to know as much about them as we can to compare them with the standard plants we have. By the way, I've sent you several hundred seeds.
A few hundred?
Yes, a few hundred seeds. Use Scienceport headquarters to kick off this investigation. We're going to need hundreds of investigators. I'll send you more video messages with all the information. I know you can do this, Amy. Science is for everybody. Good luck.
Science is for everybody. Science is for everybody. Can you help unlock the secrets of Dr. Williams' new seeds and mystery powders? Hello, I'm Amy Jones, Scienceport investigator. You can help solve the case of the mystery plant by becoming an investigator yourself. Kids, adults, anyone can become an investigator. Just come to Scienceport and we'll give you all the tools you'll need to plant the seeds using the mystery powders so you can observe and record your own findings. Families and classrooms, join Biotech Cool Green Tool today.